Backpacking stoves are compact, lightweight cooking tools designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Perfect for hikers and campers, these stoves offer reliable heat for preparing meals in remote locations. Whether fueled by gas, liquid, or wood, backpacking stoves provide convenience and efficiency, making them an essential item for any wilderness adventure. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove is a compact and efficient cooking system designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable and portable stove for cooking in the wilderness. With its advanced flux ring technology, the MiniMo provides rapid boil times, boiling water in just under 2 minutes, saving both time and fuel. The 1-liter cooking cup offers a convenient size for preparing meals or hot drinks, while the stove's simmer control allows for precise temperature adjustments, making it perfect for cooking more delicate meals like sauces or rice. The MiniMo features a push-button igniter for easy lighting and a sturdy, foldable handle for secure grip and storage. Its efficient design ensures a consistent heat output, even in challenging conditions like windy weather or low temperatures. Lightweight and compact, the MiniMo is ideal for backpacking, camping, or any outdoor adventure where space and weight are a concern. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, the Jetboil MiniMo is a top choice for those seeking high performance in a compact stove system. Number 5. Odland Camping Cookware Stove is a versatile and durable cooking system designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable gear for preparing meals in the wilderness. Constructed from high-quality materials like stainless steel and aluminum, the stove is built to withstand rugged conditions while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Its efficient burner provides fast and consistent heating, allowing for quick meal preparation in camp. The Odland stove features a stable base, ensuring secure placement on various surfaces, and includes multiple cooking pots and pans that stack neatly for compact storage. Its adjustable flame control enables precise cooking, whether you're boiling water, simmering stews, or frying up meals. The stove also comes equipped with a windproof design to maintain optimal performance in breezy conditions, making it suitable for use in a variety of outdoor environments. With its compact design and dependable functionality, the Odland Camping Cookware Stove is an excellent choice for campers, hikers, and backpackers looking for an efficient and portable solution for outdoor cooking. Number 4. MSR Windburner Personal Stove is a compact and efficient cooking system designed for outdoor adventurers who need reliable performance in challenging conditions. Built with MSR's patented Windburner technology, this stove is engineered to perform optimally even in windy environments, ensuring a consistent flame and fast boil times. The stove features a radiant burner and a built-in windproof design that shields the flame, allowing it to boil water quickly, even in harsh weather conditions. With a 1-liter insulated cooking vessel, the Windburner provides excellent heat retention, keeping your food and beverages warm longer. The stove's compact, integrated design makes it easy to carry and store in a backpack, making it perfect for solo backpacking, camping, or backcountry trips. The system also includes a secure, easy-to-use locking mechanism for the pot, providing stability during cooking. Lightweight, durable, and highly efficient, the MSR Windburner Personal Stove is a top choice for those seeking a reliable and portable solution for outdoor cooking. Number 3. Solo Lite Portable Stove is a compact and efficient wood-burning stove designed for backpackers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight cooking solution. Weighing just 9 ounces, the Solo Lite is incredibly portable while providing excellent cooking performance in the wild. It features a unique design that maximizes airflow, which enhances combustion and allows for faster cooking with minimal fuel. By using twigs, leaves, or small pieces of wood as fuel, the stove eliminates the need for bulky gas canisters, making it an eco-friendly option for outdoor cooking. The double wall construction creates a secondary burn, reducing smoke and improving efficiency, which means less hassle and cleaner cooking. Its simple, durable build is made of high-grade stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting use even in harsh environments. The stove also packs down into a compact size for easy storage and transportation. Ideal for solo adventures or minimalist trips, the Solo Lite Portable Stove is perfect for those looking for a lightweight, efficient, and sustainable way to cook in the great outdoors. Number 2. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Stove is a compact and highly efficient stove designed for backpackers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance. Weighing just 2.6 ounces, this stove is incredibly lightweight and packs down to a small size, making it easy to carry in a backpack or gear kit. Despite its small size, the Pocket Rocket 2 offers impressive heat output, delivering rapid boiling times and consistent performance in various weather conditions. The stove's adjustable flame control allows for precise cooking, whether you're boiling water for a meal or simmering a more delicate dish. Its integrated burner is compatible with standard MSR and other threaded fuel canisters, making it easy to set up and use in the field. The stove also features a reliable, wind-resistant design, ensuring optimal efficiency even in breezy environments. For those seeking a lightweight, reliable, and quick-to-set-up stove for outdoor adventures, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Stove is an excellent choice. Number 1. Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove is a highly efficient and portable cooking system designed for fast, on-the-go meals in the outdoors. Known for its rapid boil time, the Flash can boil a liter of water in just 100 seconds, making it one of the quickest stoves for boiling water. Its flux ring technology enhances heat transfer, ensuring that the stove uses less fuel while delivering consistent performance. The integrated 1-liter cooking cup is insulated to keep contents warm for longer and features a secure lid for easy storage and transport. The Flash also includes a reliable push-button igniter, eliminating the need for matches or a lighter. With its lightweight design, the stove packs down small and is easy to carry in a backpack, making it perfect for backpacking, camping, or hiking trips. The windproof design ensures that cooking is efficient even in less than ideal weather conditions, while the sturdy base provides stability. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking a quick, reliable, and compact stove, the Jetboil Flash is an excellent choice.